Hello YouTube, hello guys. Here we are again, Arlene and Jay in USA.
What am I supposed to say?
I don't know.
This is a golf course.
So right now we are at Johampton Clubhouse. We're just walking around. It's a golf course actually. It's a 5-minute drive away from home. And we are waiting for the sunset. I hope so we can have a nice view from here. Remember, I have a Facebook friend telling me that her house is in front of this golf course. And she was advertising me of the church, that St. Luke Church. She said that's a Catholic church.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Across the street. Nawawala. Kami nawawala. Nawawala.
We're risking our lives for YouTubers so that we can give you a glimpse
Of the sunset.
a side of Nashville that has never been seen before. This is where
What?
the locals go, and even the locals don't know about this. But you will not find a lot of videos about this because it's not a tourist spot.
Over there? What is it? Stinks. What is that? Where does this stinks coming from? Oh, that's apartment. Apartment, look at that. And it's stinking here.
You have people like that in the Philippines. People like that in the Philippines.
People in the Philippines are, most of them are jokers. They're happy people,
So
you
you
know.
don't have few people who are just like intense.
No, not
They're
much.
passionate, like these people like at my work.
It seems like they don't have happiness if
It's
people
not
are like
they're not
that.
happy, but when they are in a social gathering or party or something, they want to talk about serious issues all the time.
I don't think it's healthy
What?
being serious all the time.
Well, you have to have a balance. Like some
Yeah.
people are jokers all the time.
That's-
Like me, I don't like to take serious at all.
Yeah,
Especially
why-
when I'm in a group with other people, social setting.
that's why I said all the time. Being serious all the time
But I
is not
think being
good.
serious all the time
It's not healthy.
is worse than being serious than being funny.
Yeah, all the time.
At least if you're joking all the time, you're not ruining your health.
Yeah, it's good for your health also. When you smile, when you feel happy. Wow, look at this. It's a golf course over there, but we are not going there. We are going on this way because it says stay off course. So where are we?
You can either go this way or that way. Let's go this way.
Are we following them? What about here?
No, we have to go to other way.
Yeah.
Time is 7:30.
We still have 30 minutes. Sunset, right? Sunset today will be at 8 o'clock.
Yes, but it looks like already sunset to me. It's a better view, unobstructed view.
I got it.
So, you know what is the horizon, right? What is the horizon?
Never ending.
No. The horizon is where the land meets the sky.
Okay.
So the horizon should always be in the middle of the screen. Oh shit.
Because of the flowers. Look at that flowers over there. Oh, dog. The dog looks like a...
Just a loop separated.
Separate.
There's a virtual barrier over here that you're not supposed to cross. Look at these giant pencils.
We are now under the bridge.
That we were trying to cross finally.
Yeah. We're trying to cross a while ago. when we are lost, when we were lost.
I guess we could have just jumped off the bridge.
Hey, look at the...
Or we could have come and rolled down this hill.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Rolling down from the bridge.
Yeah, we could have just rolled down. Instead of walking around all the way.
We're almost there, right?
We were there.
We were lost.
Now we know.
Watch out.
Next time we can just roll on.
Oh, we're here. Oh. This is still the continuation of the golf course? Or a different one? People are walking in there, in the middle of the course.
In the map, there is no golf course.
Oh, so what is this?
Maybe it's a new golf course.
Oh.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, the bridge is there. This is the opposite of the park that we went last time, where there are fireflies, right?
Yeah.
Well, this is the opposite side.
Mm-hmm.
It's more prettier in here. Oh, where's the sunset? It's gone. No more sunset. Look, there's a parking.
How to find it? How to get here?
Oh, that's the map over there. I want to check.
I think I figured it out.
Look at the color of the sky. Pink, purple, blue. It's a jacket.
Maybe winter became summer and they're like, oh, I don't need it anymore. Should we turn around?
Turning around. Oh, wouldn't reach the part where we ended last time because right now we are wearing shorts and we feel some mosquitoes already. So maybe next time.
Some office tables. Office tables over there.
Old.
Yeah.
For condemn.
I'll just throw you on the other side and you go and bring the table and throw it. Now it's breezy. No more mosquitoes.
Oh, I like it. I like the breeze. It's cold.
Can't wait to get in the car and use some sanitizer. I cannot believe I'm saying that.
Did you touch anything?
That light!
Oh yeah, I remember in the street. Oh, wow. Did they rent it? Don't get it wet. What is that?
It's a barge.
Wow. It's empty.
Yeah, it's going to pick up rocks or something.
Okay. It's big. Yeah, that's it. Oh, this is the first time that I see it. It's under the bridge. Oh wow.
Still going on.
Yeah, and there is what is that? Fishing boat?
That's the thing that pushes it. That's what will be on the other side of this barge.
Oh, okay.
So that's the boat that pushes this thing. It's coming back from a different direction. See, it's coming.
Oh wow.
Almost done.
Yeah, there's a boat over there.
So they just put like sand or rocks or whatever they want to transport. They put it
From
on top
where
of it.
and from where and going
From
to
one
what?
end to the other end. From Philippines
couple of
to
people,
Nashville.
couple of crew over there waving at us. They're waving at us. They know. We know that we are filming them. Wow. Can you zoom in to them? Let's see if we can see them.
No.
They're looking at us. Nice.
So next time maybe we can catch them when they are actually carrying something.
Yeah. Alright, that's all for today, guys. It's getting dark. Please subscribe our channel. Leave us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share.
Peace.
Thank you for watching.
So this is how much we walk from here to here and then back.
What's the reroute about?
Total 1 hour 5 minutes 26.
Explain to them the
3.1
rerouting.
miles.
Explain to them the reroute.
We got lost, so we had to turn around and come back.